Today I bring to you a Shabad by Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj. In this Shabad, there is a deep gratefulness and love for the Almighty, in whose protection guides us every day. Guru Nanak establishes that God is one with complete understanding, and He is the one and only provider of everything in this universe. Our understanding and knowledge is limited and is also a gift from Him. First, we will try to understand the lyrics, then sing it in one go. Satnam Shri Vaheguru. तू प्रभुदाता दान मत पूरा, हम थारे भिखारी जियो. You, God, are the giver of gifts, the Lord of perfect understanding. I am a mere beggar at your door. मैं क्या मांगूं, कुछ स्थिर न रहा, हर दीजिए नाम प्यारी जियो. What should I beg for? Nothing remains permanent, O Lord. Please bless me with your beloved name. We see the thought, kya mangu kuch thir na rahaye, in Kabir Das's poetry also. Ghat ghat rav ravya banwari, jalthal mayyal gupto varse, Guru Shabdi dekh nihari jiyo. In each and every heart, the Lord of the forest, is permeating and pervading. In the water, on the land, and in the sky, He is pervading but hidden. Through the word of the God's Shabad, He is revealed. Marat payal akash dikhayo, Guru Satguru Kirpa dhari jiyo. In this world, in the nether regions of the underworld, and in the Akashic ethers, the true Guru has shown me the Lord. He has showered me with His mercy. So Brahm ajoni hai bhi honi, ghat bhitar dekh murari jiyo. He is the unborn Lord God. He is and shall ever be. Deep within your heart, behold Him, the destroyer of ego. Janam maran ko eho jag bapno, in duje bhagat visari jiyo. This wretched world is caught in birth and death. In the love of duality, it has forgotten devotional worship of the Lord. Satguru mile ta gurumat paiye, sakat bari baji hari jiyo. Meeting the true Guru, the Guru's teachings are obtained. The faithless cynic loses the game of the life. Satguru bandhan tod nirare, bahor na garbh manjari jiyo. Breaking my bonds, the true Guru has set me free, and I shall not be cast into the womb of reincarnation again. Nanak Gyan Ratan Pargasya, Harman Vasya Nirankari Jiyo. O Nanak, the jewel of the spiritual wisdom shines forth, and the Lord, the formless Lord, dwells within my mind. Now we'll try to sing it in Rag Surat. Surat is a rag that appears in Sikh tradition and is a part of Sri Guru Granth Sahib. Surat conveys the feeling of having such a strong belief in something that you want to keep repeating the experience. In fact, the feeling of certainty is so strong that you become the belief and live that belief. Now that we've understood the lyrics, Shabad would be easier to understand, I guess. तू प्रभुदाता दान मत पूरा, हम थारे भिखारी जियो. मैं क्या मांगूं किछ थिर न रहा, हर दीजे नाम प्यारी जियो. घट घट राव रव्या बनवारी, जल थल मैयल गुप्तो वरते, गुरु शब्दी देख निहारी जियो. मैं क्या मांगूं कुछ थिर न रहा, हर दी जना जियो मरत प्याल आकाश दिखायो गुरु सतगुरु कृपा धारी जियो सो ब्रह्म अजानी है भी होनी घट भीतर देख मुरारी जियो मैं क्या मांगू कुछ थिर न रहा हर दीजे नाम प्यारी जियो जन्म मरण को एहो जग बपरो इन दूजे भगत विसारी जियो सतगुरु मिलेता गुरु मत पाइए साकत बाजी हारी जियो मैं क्या मांगू कुछ थिर न रहा हर दीजे नाम प्यारी जियो सतगुरु बंधन तोड़ निरारे बहर नगर मंझारी जियो नानक ज्ञान रतन पर गासया हर मन वसया निरंकारी जियो तू प्रभुदाता नान मत पूरा हम थारे भिखारी जियो मैं क्या मांगू कुछ थिर न रहा हर दीजे नाम प्यारी जी